to the list. And yes, we can do a challenge with fighting the things. And this is our shopping list. And this is our grocery. And let's do the challenge.
Thing is cotton buds. Your time starts now. Then the second thing is cute cold cream. Yes, you do it only 2 seconds. One is it's Nivea soft cream, mini one, Muntasha's. You get. The fifth or fourth or sixth is vanilla essence and food color. Not the blue, only the red. Yeah, this is the red.
And this is the vanilla.
One is banana jelly and cherry jelly.
This is
Yeah.
and this is.
And the next one is you got Merrill Baby Gel toothpaste. Not the orange one, only the strawberry.
This is.
Okay. And the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. Yeah, you get Dove soap and Lifebuoy Lemon Fresh. Then we have I think it's what's it's written? I cannot read it. Shemine. We have is detergent powder.
This is.
Yeah. Black mustard.
Black tea.
Black mustard.
Black.
Have is our powder milk.
Powder.
Wow, so big. Nor noodles with a free bottle. Is prawn milk, full cream liquid milk.
You can see.
Oh, it locks off. Then is Faye perfume.
Bye bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share. Bye bye.